Hi again, welcome to another video. Just a quick video. I have a van. I've bought a van. I still have my Mercedes Sprinter, which needs work. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll see the work I've been doing on it, and the VW T4 that needs work, similar work to the Sprinter. And if you've been watching my videos, you know what I've been doing on that. But this is just a temporary one on the fleet. I've actually bought it, but I've already sort of sold it. When I finished with it, my dad wants it. He pointed me in the direction of this. So yeah, I'm going to just sell it on to him cheap, because I bought it cheap. So it's going to do me a favour for a while. You can see my work gear is in here. We'll just go around here and look at the side. It isn't the prettiest of vans, but it's functional and it works, and it is a transit. There we go. And the model is that. It goes right, 6-speed. It's 2.4, I believe. And yeah, it's not a bad little van really. Got the usual transit problems, rusty around the edges, but not bad at all really. It's all right. It's gonna earn its keep while I've got it. I'll do a few little improvements. The locks aren't great, so I will do a video on changing that door lock. I've got one on order. It's done about 240,000. You can see Laura's made a mess in here as usual, but it's not a bad van. It's got the bulkhead in it. It's medium wheelbase, high top I think, or semi-high top. Anyway, it's big enough for what I need. And actually it's a bit wider between the wheel arches than my Sprinter. I think I would have got my Kubota in here. That's a 48-inch deck, but I hardly use that now. Actually, I don't use it at all at the moment for work, so I'm gonna worry about getting that in. And if I do need to get it in, I'll probably be back with the Sprinter by then, so I won't be able to get it in. But I've got the trailer for that. That's what I've always done. But yeah, it's like I said, rough around the edges, but it's going to serve a purpose. So it's just going to be a temporary fleet member. Well, I say temporary, depends how long I take to get the Sprinter done, but just thought I'd show you it. I'll show you it from the front. It's a 57 plate, and I'll just show you in here as well while we're at it. There you go. With the mileage up there, yeah, nearly 240,000 miles. But the seats now are in decent condition. It's had covers on, and yeah, it's an all right van. They always get battered around, these old transits, but the person that's had this, my dad's known for a long time, and it's been used for horses and that, with moving hay and straw and that about, and horse feeds. So that means it hasn't got the concrete everywhere in the back, all stuck on the floor. It's pretty clean apart from a bit of straw and that. So yeah, it's an all right van. So I just thought I'd do a quick video on this. It's going to be a temporary fleet member, like I said, but I will be doing a few little jobs along the way on it while I've got it. So when my dad's got them little jobs been done, because he got it for me cheap, I'll just do that as a bit of a sort of a thank you. I'm at another job now, and I'll give you a much better view of the van. As you can see, it is a little bit rough around the edges, but I need to have a van like this to earn money in my day job, so I can live, and also hopefully a little bit extra at times, not all the time, for my projects and to help out on my YouTube channel. So there we go. And this side is roughly the same condition. You can tell it's had filler in around the arches and that. I think it probably once was an ex-council van or highways or something, because it's got the stickers on it. I went off Fords when I had my Ford Focus, which caused me quite a lot of trouble. But as vans go, this one doesn't seem too bad at all. At the end of the day, a van's a van. It's just a workhorse, so there we go. That's the latest member of my fleet. So I hope you enjoyed this video of revealing this old transit van. And yeah, I'll leave the video there. So thanks for watching. I'll be along with another video again soon. So bye for now.